What is up, people? ALL Day Gammer ADG here for another video. Today we are going to be playing Nerf 4 with this dude right here. Bam!
Ready guys? Look.
Okay, so we're going to be playing Nerf 4 outside in the heat, bro. Bruh. In the heat. That one's trash. Nah, that doesn't go with that. Hot. Hella hot.
Okay, I want this one.
And I'm gonna make it, bro, that's pretty good, I guess. Then you don't get the shotty.
Fine. I get started.
I want that one. That's pretty good. No, actually, no. I'm gonna get the dual pistols.
I'm only gonna get the crossbow.
No, we can't get that one.
Yeah, that's if you get the crossbow.
That's my mom's gun. You can't use it. Anyways, you don't know how to work it. Drop. Watch out, bro. Okay, give me the dual pistols real quick. And I get mostly all these freaking bullets. So I get this gun, and I get these bullets. You want to wear the mask? Bro, we should do this in the dark. That'd be freaking sick. Nah. Hey, give me those dual pistols. Where? Okay, wait 1 second, guys. Hey, you can't use that. This one. It doesn't work like that. Okay. Go subscribe to ALL Day Gamer ADG. And all caps. That's Michael. He needs some subscribers because he only has 5. Pretty sad. Michael, look at these. They have lizard eyes. Bro, I can just go like this. Hey, I should wear these and be like, hello there. I'm gonna wear these. Bro, oh chill. Watch out, I need my mask.
Oh, freak, you open it. You don't know how to do it. Okay. I was like Jerry.
Michael, look at this.
Oh, freak.
I'm freaking off. Freaking loaded.
I know it's like 10 more blue.
Actually, I'm just gonna wear like this. Hello there. Ah, my eyes. I'm gonna upload another video today, guys. And, yeah. So, let's go to doing this pizza shit. Okay? So, bro, chill. Here, shoot Hello Kitty. Ah! Okay.
Shoot Hello Kitty.
Then I get to do a free shot.
Hold on.
What the?
Got you. Oh, my nipple. My titty. Here, I need that one. Yep. And then I need that one.
And so today, guys, me and this dude right there, we are going to be going swimming. It's gonna be part 3.
I know, later on.
Okay.
Different days.
Later on.
Oh, freaking you guys in the freaking head.
Bro, I want to see how it looks. Let me see that.
I'm gonna do it.
Right at the camera. Whoops, okay.
Wrong way.
I want to do it. Bro, it's creepy.
Whoa!
Bro, that went fast.
I know.
Chill out.
Give me this my bullets. I need both my bullets.
I need this.
Oh yeah, and I need all my blues. All my blues and my hoes and my does and my toes. And I need 2 green.
Bro,
What?
get your own.
Oh.
Do you have your goggles anyways?
No, I didn't bring them.
Oh my god.
Cool.
Then use
Oh,
I need
bro.
these. These are the miserable guys.
Hey.
Hey.
Okay, I'm gonna take a bunch of ammo because I need it for my
That's it, bro.
shoddy.
You have mostly all the ammo. What the heck was that? Bro,
You threw a bullet at me.
I didn't throw it. You did.
Oh, I didn't?
Did you throw a bullet at me, bro?
No,
Right now.
no.
Bro, that's creepy.
You threw a bullet at me.
No, I didn't.
I swear you did.
No, I didn't. Bro, this just comes flying in like this.
No, bro.
Yes.
Dude.
Cause
This thing just hit me.
bro, I didn't shoot it. Bro, there's something paranormal going on in this house, bro.
Maybe it's your doggies.
Shoot him.
You did throw it at me.
No, I didn't, bro. Huh, guys? I was staring at this camera. I'll show you the footage.
After, we can rewatch the footage when this video's over, okay?
Yeah.
And people.
Bro, it just comes in. Michael. Michael. Chill out.
What?
So it just comes in like this. Seriously, bro. Oh, there goes the bullet. I dare you to shoot me. You try to shoot me like that. Wait, where's my goggles? I need these. I need these. Hey, you want to have like goggles on instead of the mask?
Let's have both.
It hurts.
Mag loaded.
I don't know. See you guys when we're going. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So right now, chill out. So right now, let's go outside. Yeah, Michael. Let's go. I have this both on. Do you want my other goggles? Okay. Well, let's go. Crap.
This is Fortnite in real life.
Okay, guys. We are outside. Whew.
Bro, look at me, dude.
Look at this dude.
Yeah, bro, this freaking watching them like,
Bro, look at me, bro.
oh, I need my elbow.
Freaking sick. But right now, we are just doing this crap. Bro, my freaking, it freaking hurts. What the hell? What the actual hell, bro? What the fuck? Okay, bro. Michael, we're not starting yet. We're not starting yet, bro. Okay, this one does 20 damage. This one does 50.
This one does 30. Like
Okay.
a scar, and then if you hit in the head, it does 70. And we both have full HP. The shoddy?
My mega gun, it does 50, but I mean 50.
No, it does 100.
Yeah.
Because it's like a grenade launcher.
Yeah.
But no, it does 150.
Hey, where am I gonna put this camera? Cause I can't hold it. Wait, I want to see if this actually does work.
I know what I was about to say.
But it's gonna fall off. Don't fall. Like, crap.
Got a good idea.
Put it right here, huh?
Use that.
Oh shoot, bro, that scared me.
Is this real?
Yeah.
Look
Oh,
at you.
it's freaking hard, bro.
Okay, here, put it in the shade right here.
Ooh.
Lay it up against there. Guys got a good view?
Yeah, they got a good view.
Yes, no. You go over there with your gun down. Actually, I'll put my gun down. This is kind of irritating. He has dual pistols, guys. He has dual pistols, so he's gonna be like, hey guys. Papa. And I got. Actually, wait, I'm gonna turn this into an Uzi. Uzi, guys. Let's get it. Ready? And 3, 2, 2, 1. Let's get it. Like I'm not pissy. running the barrel because longer range. Oh, break! Ah! What? Yeah! Oh my gosh, Dad! Whoa! How is this thing not? Hold on, time out. What the hell? Where's my bullet? Wait, chill. What? You didn't take that one, though. Okay, hold on. This is so annoying. You shouldn't take that. Hold on, guys. So annoying. Reloading. Yeah, when somebody says reloading, you have to wait 5 seconds and then you can rush them. You want it? No, I got my mom. Yeah, I can't move work, so it looks like we're not on the same team. So I'm wearing my... We both have blue on, huh? Yeah, but I have a mask and you have goggles, so that means we're not on the same team. Okay. I'm gonna do 1 mag bullets. Ready? Set. Go. Hey, you can't cut that bush. Now you can go anymore. What the? Wait, I got 5-second reload. 1, 2. Oh, you gotta back up though. 3, 4, 5. Got him. No, I didn't. Bro, I hit your dick. No, I didn't. Yeah. Oh no! 5-second reload. Oh, you gotta back up though. That's up. I got you. Oh, I hit the gun! Oh my god, I got you! You did! I got you, bro. Ah! You still got you! I'm dead. Bitch. Get me for 40 and then 150. That hit your gun. I mean, that didn't hit your gun. That did. No, it didn't. This one hit your... That one hit your freaking fingers, bro. Just stop lying, Michael. Okay, can you go get my blue bullets? No. Tell me if you find my big negative bullets. 2, 1. Victory Game Mendes won first round. Now we're playing second round.
That's a rush.
Yeah, but we're rushing last round too.
What?
We were rushing last round.
No, but this time we're going fast and we have to run and shit.
Okay.
Like run at each other.
Then I'm using the Uzi because I can rapid fire instead of using like a rifle. Guys, I'm gonna hold my camera quick in the shade because it's too hot. Like 100 degrees. Yeah, and then I hit you 2 times with the shotty. Oh yeah. So two shots from close with my shotty, you're dead. Dude, you have like
3 shots? No, 4 shots with the Uzi. Close up. You're dead.
I'm dead. You're what?
No, yeah. Bro, which are you?
Freaking moving his head.
Oh no. Hey, I'm gonna do it on my side now.
Okay, now you're gonna get hit.
Okay, guys, you guys are in my point of view now. Michael's over there. Michael's over there. You guys can see I have the dual pistols and I have my grenade launcher over there. If it hits the Michael, if it hits the grenade launcher hits the ground close to you, that takes 100 damage. 50, yeah. But if it actually hits you, you're dead. Even if it hits your gun, you're still dead, bro. Be savage. Savage. Do you see me? I'm a fucking savage. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Oh! Yeah!
They didn't hit my gun.
Then why did it stop right here?
Yeah, they hit my gun.
Why? Hell yeah. Oh no. Hell yeah. No! Oh yeah! I did 140 damage.
What?
I hit you twice with the Uzi.
This nigga's high. How?
Guys, when I hit you twice with the Uzi, and then
That's 30, that's 60.
I hit you one with this, and this does 100 from close.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
It does 70.
But so that's 100 damage right there. And you got me none. So.
I shot you. What are you talking about?
What?
I shot you.
Fine. I'll give you that shot.
Bro, I shot you right here.
Ready? 3, 2,
No, this is bullshit, bro.
I want to reload your gun. I'll take that 5-second reload time.
Bro, this kid, bro.
2,
This kid.
3, 4, 5. Ready or not? Here it comes.
That didn't hit me. That didn't hit me.
That hit your shit.
No, it didn't. That hit me right here.
Rush me or something.
Right here. Bam.
Free reload.
Bam. Bam. I'm getting fucking grenades, stupid.
Okay, you can reload. I want
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No! Then you did.
No, it's 150. Because if it hits you, it's 150. Remember?
Yeah, you did, bro.
Oh, I'm joking!
Yeah, bro, I had 10 down. I had 5 health left, bro. I'm tired, bro. Hey, let's go inside.
Yeah, you won anyways.
You hit me in my dick. Oh, there's the phone!
I ain't dead on the camera.
No, bro.
Let's go and kill the bullets.
Oh yeah, we have to clean up that bullet, bro. Woo! I have my things on there. Oh, it's nasty. My eyes are like sweating.
I went like that, then it went back down like that, and then I went like that. Got a shooter and he's like, boom. 5 feet. All I need to do is go. Like
I know.
And you would win there.
You shot me in my dick, so that's like 50 freaking damage.
Okay, so I won.
No, you didn't. How?
No, we still tied then, because it's 1 and 1.
I have 2.
No,
What are you talking about?
I got you on 50 damage.
Bro, are you high?
Then if I got you on 50 damage, I won that round.
Are you high?
Whoa.
That went somewhere else, bro. This dude is high. Bro, get the gun.
What up? What's that?
Fam. Bro, it's hot outside. I'm gonna check after this video how freaking hot it is. Bro, it's been 20 minutes. Alright.
Okay, so now let's just play.
Woo!
Now let's just play regular hide and seek.
Yeah, but I'm gonna make another video. I know it's so hot. Okay, guys. Right now, I have like things on my freaking eyes. My eyes are sweating. But I'll see you guys next one. Subscribe, like, go subscribe to All Day Gamer ADG.
And then we're gonna be playing hide and seek right now.
Yeah.
Next video.
And yeah, peace. Subscribe.